In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email tasks to Todoist. Whether you're looking to streamline your task management or simply want an easy way to save important emails as tasks, this guide will show you exactly how to get it done quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and type in app.todoist.com login. This is the login page for Todoist, where you can access all your projects and tasks. Once you're on the page, it's time to enter your login credentials. You'll be prompted to type in your email followed by your password. Make sure you have your login info handy, or if you're using a password manager, it can autofill these for you. If you prefer, you also have the option to log in using your existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Just click on the Continue With option that suits you best and follow the prompts. This can be a quick and convenient way if you're already logged into one of these accounts on your browser. With access to your Todoist account, you're ready to begin emailing tasks. The trick here is to uniquely forward your emails to a specific Todoist email address. Start by opening the project to which you want to forward your tasks. Navigate your projects and select the one that will best fit the task you're trying to manage. Once you're in the right project, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the ellipsis symbol. That's three little dots stacked vertically. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu where you can select email tasks to this project. This is where the magic happens. Todoist will provide you with a unique email address specific to that project. Go ahead and copy this email address to your clipboard. It's a good idea to save it somewhere convenient if you plan on using it regularly. Now, whenever you receive an email that you want to turn into a task, you can simply forward it to this unique Todoist email address. Once sent, the email will appear as a task in your chosen project, allowing you to manage and organize it just like any other task within Todoist. And there you have it, a seamless way to transform your emails into actionable tasks on Todoist. This method is particularly useful for prioritizing tasks that come in via email, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other features of Todoist to further enhance your productivity.